I play with slime.
Yeah, there's so many different ways.
I can't even open this.
There's so many different ways how to play with, how to use slime and make slime and play with slime.
Oh, I just took the whole thing out.
It's very squishy and play fun.
I might go with the glittery.
And whatever you do, do not put this in your hair.
My slime, I picked glitter, and it was blue, so it didn't work. It wasn't stretchy.
My slime was a little bit too watery, but we'll teach you how to make slime. Okay.
Well, not today.
No, we're just gonna
tomorrow.
We're just gonna tell them. Okay.
No, tomorrow.
We're not actually gonna make the slime. We're gonna tell them. Okay.
First, you can.
This video is actually gonna be cutting up in 2 pieces, so make sure you look out for the next video.
Subscribe to his channel.
And
press the like button and smack those thumbs up.
And if we get to 13,000 likes, then we'll show you how to make your own slime. And also, we're gonna be giving away one of these slimes. So make sure if you leave a comment down below, you'll get one of these slimes. And
this is so crazy.
Oh, and also you'll win. Okay, there's gonna be a contest. You'll win one of these slimes.
And an iPhone.
An iPhone and an iPod Touch.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's a maybe. And also we're gonna have a new if you don't know who I am, my name is Elise Figueroa. Soon I'm gonna have my videos.
And my name is Logan Diaz.
And if you never watched this channel before,
you saw my YouTube videos.
Yeah.
And with anybody who saw my YouTube videos.
I actually have no YouTube videos, but in the future you're going to see some of mine, and make sure you go check out my channel.
Well, it's actually my channel.
Yeah, and his channel too. Yeah. So this slime is I actually made both of these, and this is my slime right here.
This one's not stretchy, but guys, look, it's not stretchy.
It's slimy.
And I just want to tell you something.
And make sure
never mind.
And let your friends if we can get to 3,500 subscribers.
If we get 5,000 subscribers, we will show you our number. My number.
And also, and also, if we get 13,000 likes by the end of this school, by the end of summer, you will have a chance to do a Musical.ly with us.
Yeah.
My name is Elise Rosegarden. What's your name, Musical.ly? And this is Logan Diaz.
And everybody, if you have Musical.ly, like my Musical.lys.
Oh, and if you guys have Musical.ly like my Musical.lys too. I need a cat. Need a cat.
I'm on focus.
Yeah. And also, if we get to 3,500, then we're also gonna have a few contests. One is gonna be one to win one of these slimes, one to win an iPhone, and one to win one of these slimes, one to win an iPhone, and one to do Musical.ly with us, and and also we have a special surprise. Drum please. We're gonna give a $10 gift card away for Roblox. So if you're YouTube gamer and you like to play Roblox, we're going to give you a $10 gift card for Roblox. Logan, have you ever... I'm going to go get a lollipop because he got a lollipop. So bye.
I put that little piece on the floor. Are there more lollipops? I don't know if Logan got the last one. Right in here. No, well, you saw that? Oh, not funny. Hi, YouTube! Hola, YouTube!
And we will give you a
Hola!
iPad Samsung.
Whoa, what's up with that? I want an iPad Samsung.
You gotta win it.
You got to like our